decisions, always is decisions after C trainings, after C games, after talk with my staff. And I just said before, we have Max, Rafa, Eidur, Tom, Juan. We have good players in this line. And normally I understand that if one player is not playing, somebody say, why don't play this player? Or maybe because he's playing other players. So, in my opinion, when you have a competitive team, when you are in a top club, you have always this kind of these kind of problems. And for me, this is not a problem. For me, this is good because then it's more easy for the coach to do the lineup. But maybe your question is Tom the Shooter and Eidur Gudjohnsen is one, or they play together? Of course they can play together, and when we see the games, the right moment to play together, they will play together.
Is it an option for you that Gudjohnsen plays in the place of Vázquez?
For me, Eidur Gudjohnsen needs to play in the position of Eidur Gudjohnsen. He can play with Victor or with Tom, but if we personalize and we go to a name, if the day that Eidur play and not play Victor, someone say, why don't play Victor? Or you know, so always there is
Victor
one player.
Play tomorrow. So
sorry?
Victor doesn't play tomorrow.
No, but we have other players also. So for me, my opinion is that we need, to be a top club, to win prizes, we need a good squad, we need alternatives, and also in the line of the attackers also we need people fresh to every game when we are playing Thursday, Sunday. So I'm happy with these players, I'm happy with Eidur, I'm happy with Tom, I'm happy with Max, with Juan, with Rafa, and my target is to have always in these games, Thursday, Sunday, people ready to play 100% every game. Is clear the answer for you?
Czy to prawda, że decyzje trenera są ostateczne i nie podlegają dyskusji? Dyskusja oczywiście, jakby zawsze można dyskutować w drużynie, wśród grupy osób jest to bardzo konieczne i naturalne. Natomiast ja nie podejmuję moich decyzji samodzielnie, tylko zawsze odbywa się to w konsultacji z moim sztabem szkoleniowym. Ja rozumiem, że chodzi tutaj o sytuację, kiedy dany zawodnik gra, a inny nie gra i za chwilę następuje zmiana i że mamy kilku zawodników na jedną pozycję i dlaczego akurat